Chapter 1, History of Computer. In this chapter, we are covering concept of counting, early calculating devices, abacus, Napier's bonds, Pascaline, Leibniz calculator, Babbage's analytical engine, tabulating machine, Mark I, ENIAC and UNIVAC, personal computer, PC. So, hello friends, I am back here again to tell you more about the computers. Well, friends, the computer which you see today was not like this before. It took many years to make the computer as it is today. Let us look at the history of the computers. First, concept of counting. The computer is an electronic machine that touches every aspect of our life, making it fast, easier and comfortable. We rely on computers for most of our daily work. Computer has its own history. It has been a combination of efforts and ideas of many people from all over the world. The concept of counting started with the existence of human beings. In the ancient times, people used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, bones, sticks, fingers, toes, etc. and store the information by making marks on walls, pillars, rocks, etc. See, counting by fingers, toes, stones, sticks and bones. In the course of time, it became difficult to do bigger and complex calculations with such objects. So people started thinking of some kind of device which could make their tasks easier. So by using fingers, toes, stones and sticks and bones, we can count small numbers only. For counting bigger numbers, we have to think of other things. For that, thus, the first calculating device, abacus, was invented. Early calculating devices, इसमें first आता है abacus. Abacus. See the picture of abacus here. Abacus was the first calculating device invented about 5,000 years ago by the Chinese. Simple calculations like addition and subtraction can be performed using an abacus. It is still in use in different parts of the world. Abacus is used for counting numbers. First, it was introduced by Chinese. Next is Napier's bonds. You can see the picture of Napier's bonds. This is John Napier. In 1617, a Scottish mathematician, John Napier, invented a calculating device called Napier's bonds. The device is a set of rectangular rods marked with numbers on them. It was meant for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. Later on, it was improved to perform division and to find the square root. Next is Pascaline. See the picture of Pascaline here. The inventor is Blaise Pascal. In 1642, a French mathematician named Blaise Pascal invented the first mathematical computing machine known as Pascaline. It consisted of a box with movable gears that could add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers very easily. Next is Leibniz calculator. In 1692, the more advanced calculating machine named Step-Rechner was developed by a German mathematician, Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. It could perform all four basic mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This is the picture of Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. He is the inventor of Leibniz calculator. He is a German mathematician. Okay. Now, Babbage's analytical engine. In 1822, a mathematics professor of Cambridge University, England, Charles Babbage, developed a machine known as difference engine. Okay. It could perform mathematical operations automatically. However, in 1833, Babbage had a better idea and he stopped working on difference engine and started designing another machine called analytic engine. This is the picture of analytical engine. Analytical engine. And this is Charles Babbage. It had 5 key features, that is input, storage, processor, control unit and an output device. All these 5 features are found in today's modern computers. Therefore, Charles Babbage is known as the father of the computer. Who is known as the father of the computer? Charles Babbage is known as father of the computer. Next is tabulating machine. In 1890, Hermann Hollerith, an army engineer, invented a tabulating machine. This tabulating machine was used in census to count the population of the USA. It gave a quick count of the US population. The use of the tabulating machine was so successful that Hollerith formed a company that later became famous as the International Business Machine, IBM, International Business Machine. The counting of the people in a particular country is called census. Tabulating machine was invented by Hermann Hollerith, an engineer, an army engineer, invented the tabulating machine. Next is the first electromechanical computer, Mark I. In 1944, Professor Howard Aikens built the first electromechanical computer named Mark I. It was 51 feet long, weighed 5 tons and used typewriter for input and punch cards for output. This device was the first computer in real sense. Mark I, Professor Howard Aikens. Okay, this is the first computer in real sense. Next, the first electronic computer. The first electronic computer, ENIAC and UNIVAC. John Macleay and John Presper Eckert together built the first successful electronic digital computer known as ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was operational in 1946. ENIAC was 10 feet wide, 100 feet long, occupied 1,800 square feet of area and could perform 5,000 additions per second. In 1951, John Mackley and John Presper Eckert developed another successful computer known as UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. It could handle both numeric and textual information. You can see the picture of ENIAC here and UNIVAC. ENIAC, UNIVAC. Now, personal computer, PC. Personal computer. Computer has come a long way since then. In 1984, the IBM company introduced a personal computer called PC, AT, Advanced Technology. These computers were small in size, fast in speed, accurate and reliable. Personal computer. You can see the picture of personal computer. There are several types of personal computers available nowadays. For example, desktop computer, laptop computer and tablet computer. Desktop computer, laptop computer and tablet PC. This is personal computer. Now, self-evaluation. After reading the chapter, I know these points. I know that abacus was the first calculating device. I know that Napier's bonds was invented by John Napier in 1617. I know that Pascal's first mechanical machine was invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. I know that Charles Babbage, the father of computer, invented difference engine and analytical engine. I know that Hermann Hollerith invented tabulating machine in 1890. I know that Mark I was the first electromechanical computer. I know that the ENIAC and UNIVAC were developed by John Mackley and John Presper Eckert. I know that IBM introduced the first personal computer in 1984.